Chapter 19. Major Relief Features of the Earth. The surface of the Earth is not uniform. There are differences in elevation and slope of various landforms, both at the global level and the local levels. This difference in elevation and slope of landforms in a particular area is known as relief. The relief at global level can be categorized into two types: continents and oceans. Continents. The main land masses of the globe, particularly continuous ones, are called continents. Continents are the dry parts of the earth, and they exhibit a variety of relief features. The major relief features are broadly classified into mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains. A huge landmass which rises more than 900 meters above the mean sea level is called a mountain. A mountain range is a system of mountains having peaks, valleys, etc., which are arranged in a line. A mountain chain has several parallel, long and narrow mountains. A mountain system has several mountain ranges separated by valleys. A cordillera is a Spanish term which refers to several mountain groups and systems. It is generally a huge mountain belt stretching almost across the entire continent, like the Western Cordillera in North America. Fold mountains. Fold mountains are caused by a collision between plates that causes extreme pressure, leading to folding and the upliftment of large areas. The upfolds are anticlines and the downfolds are synclines. The Himalayas of India, the Rockies of North America, the Andes of South America, and the Alps of Europe belong to this group. Block mountains. These mountains are also formed by internal processes operating inside the earth. A very large area is displaced and broken vertically. The uplifted blocks are known as horsts, and the depressed blocks are called as graben. The Black Forest Mountains and the Vosges are best examples of block mountains. Volcanic mountains. Formation of a volcanic mountain is associated with volcanic activities. When a volcano erupts, hot magma is thrown out with great force. This magma accumulates around the vent of the volcano and generally forms a tall cone-shaped mountain known as the volcanic mountain. The important volcanic mountains of the world are Etna and Vesuvius in Italy, Kilimanjaro in Africa, Cotopaxi in South America,
Krakatoa in Indonesia,
Fujiyama in Japan, and Mount Rainier in USA. Plateaus. A plateau is a large level land considerably raised above adjoining land. It is also called tableland. There are several types of plateaus. A plateau between two mountains is called intermontane plateau. Plateaus are also classified as young and old. Most of the plateaus, like Deccan Plateau in India, are rich in minerals. Plains. The flat, low-lying area of land is called a plain. Plains are formed in different ways. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. The rivers bring sand, silt, and clay from higher elevations and mountains and deposit the same at lower elevations. It is called alluvium. The plains so formed are called alluvial plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is an example of alluvial plain. Similar plains are found on the American continent. Nile Basin of Egypt and Yangtze Basin of China are other examples of alluvial plains. Submarine relief. Oceans make two kinds of relief features in relation to landmass of the continents and underwater relief. The underwater relief is called submarine relief. Under the water of the oceans, there are mountains, plateaus, deep trenches of cracks in ocean floors, and plain surfaces. Ocean land relief features. The ocean water is always on the move. This movement of ocean water, together with rivers falling into oceans and winds, shape many landforms on the seacoast. Chief among these are delta, estuary, cliff, and beaches. A delta is formed near the mouth of the river, where the sea is relatively calm. The part of the wide lower course of water, when its current meets with tide, is called an estuary. A cliff is a high steep face of a rock near the coasts eroded by sea waves. A beach is formed by deposits of marine sediments consisting of sand, shingle, cobbles, etc. on the seashore. Marina Beach in Chennai is an example.